Morning everybody, I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady. Thanks for joining me today. I'm so happy you're here and I appreciate your support. So today I'm working on week 10 of Marguerite Miller's collage challenges, and I have a word that inspires me, which is celebrate. I believe in celebrating everything. Something cut into a triangle shape, and I have part of this little banner garland type thingy that I thought was pretty. Something travel related I'm skipping in favor of something textured. This is just a textured paper background. It's going to be my background. Something with legs is this cute little cat. And a color swatch or paint sample. I am going to use my new gouache paints and put a swatch on here, or maybe more than one swatch. So let's get started. So I have this brand new Himi gouache set, and I have not opened it yet. So it comes with this little, I don't know what you call these, palette. And then I've got deep red, ochre, violet, ultramarine, Prussian blue, black, Panso, earth yellow, medium yellow, acid blue, grass green, burnt umber, rose, lemon yellow, titanium white, jade green, and what does that say? Pale green. So I am tempted to use rose. I don't know if they come out. I can't tell if there's something over this. I don't think there is. I think they come out. Yeah, okay. So that's rose. So I'm just basically going to open this off camera because it's hard. I have opened rose and pale green, which is a lot less pale than I thought it was going to be. And I'm just going to put some strokes on here. Let's start out with green. I don't think you actually have to have water, but let's see. It's really going on like, it's going on like acrylic paint, I think. And we're actually going to have to let this dry. Let's put some pink on now. It's much darker than I thought it would be. Yeah. A little bit of the pink or the rose, which is also much darker than I thought it would be. And I think we'll try one more color. So this is just totally swatching here, the whole page. I wasn't thinking about doing that, actually. Let's see what Panso is. I don't even know if I'm saying it right. Oh, it's kind of like an orange, and I don't think I want it mixed with this. What about earth yellow? Earth yellow is nice. It's kind of like a mustard. What is medium yellow? These are really stuck in here. Oh, that's even more mustardy. I kind of like this one better. But let's check out violet. I am going to do a whole video, I think, of just checking out the paints. That's pretty. Alright, let's do this yellow one. And hopefully I can get this off okay. Oh, I do like that color a lot. Okay, let's take a little dab of this. Alright, and here we go. Oh yeah, I like that one. Get on there. Yesterday was such a beautiful day, and now today it's not such a beautiful day. It felt like spring yesterday. Even though it was in the 30s, it still felt like spring because it's, you know, been in like the 10s and below. So that was nice that it was warm out yesterday. All right, now today is Tuesday, March 4th, I believe. Last Wednesday, our son had to go to the emergency room, and he ended up needing emergency surgery for a bowel obstruction and a hernia that he didn't even know he had. And he's still recuperating from that. He's not going to be able to work for 2 weeks because he does a lot of lifting in his job. And so he's going to be bored to death, I think. But anyway, let's let this dry and we'll put it on and we'll put our pieces on. I kind of not sure I really like the way I did it. I think I might have been better off just putting a few swatches in the middle. But anyway, we're going to stick with this plan. So, yeah, it was scary. With our son being in the hospital, it was kind of scary. And he was in the hospital from Wednesday to Sunday. So that was quite a long time. Anyway, he's home now and he's doing well. And I'm going to use Fabri-Tac to put this collage together because that paper is so textured. I don't think it will work with glue, like a glue stick. I also think I need to poke a hole in, oh dear. I need to poke a hole in here because it's not coming out very well. Oops, there. Let's try that. Okay. Yeah, that's better. So daylight savings starts this weekend, I believe. So that'll be nice. Put the green at the top. Get my little, where is it? Oh, here it is. This thing from Dollar Tree. I can see some wrinkles happening here. So that's alright. What are you going to do? I think the paper may have been wrinkled from the paint already. Just like a bubble here. Okay, now we're going to do this. And this side. This corner. Alright. And I'm going to, this is going to get harder and harder to work in this book, I'm afeared. I'm afeared. Yeah, because it's very hard to keep it open already. And we're only on week 10. So, something tells me I might end up using another book someday. Alright, so, the word that inspires, the triangle shape, the legs, the color swatch, and the texture. Alright, I got everything. I'm not doing the travel related thing. So this is definitely going to have to go up at the top. So let's do that. I hope you're all happy and healthy and safe. I'm going to be going for a bone scan to make sure I don't have osteoporosis, but I don't think I do because I fell, remember, on the ice and I didn't break anything. So I'm not too concerned about that. We'll put him here and we'll put our word, maybe actually like this. Yep, I think that's how we're going to do it. This is a very modern one. A modern layout. Okay, so it's going to go in here like this. Celebrate. Any excuse for a celebration is good for me. Any excuse for a party that involves my kids and grandkids coming over. Oops. Oopsie doops. Alright, so there we have it. Alright, I don't think I need to go over it again. That's my layout for week 10 of Marguerite Miller's Collage Challenge. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you again next time. Don't forget to check out my channel for other things that I make and my Ko-fi page for your free thank you downloads. Bye-bye, guys.